Okay, good morning, everyone. We're now on chapter 22 of your maths exercise book. Just going to give you some guidance on questions, see how we're getting on, and explain a few concepts as well. In this top bit here, we see it asks you to work out the area of each of these areas, the blue, yellow, and green area. So I'll start with the blue area. How do we work out the size of that blue area? Well, it's quite easy. You've got the base there is 4 centimeters, okay? And the height, if you look over here, is 2 centimeters, all right? So 4 times 2 is 8. Now, because it's a solid shape, on the other side of it, behind it, okay, around the back there, all right, if I do a little arrow, is a same sized square. So that's why you times it by 2, okay? So the answer there is 4 times 2 is 8, and then you double it to be 16. Okay, I'll just clear it away because it's getting complicated. Green's the same thing. So you've got the length of the green bit, if I can tap it there, is, let's get my pen going again, is 4 centimeters across, and then the side bit there is 3 centimeters across. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. And just like there's green on the top, there's green on the bottom as well. So that's where you times it by 2 and get 24 centimeters. And the same for the yellow. This bit is 2 times 3, which is 6. The other side over here as well as the yellow, so you double it. Pyramids are a bit different. So if we look at over here, there's a base, the square bit at the bottom, which is 3 times 3, which is 9 centimeters. Now the triangles, we know a triangle will work out a bit differently. It's the base, which is the 3 centimeters, times the height, which is 4 centimeters. 3 times 4 is 12. But because it's a triangle, we half it, all right? So that's going to be 6 centimeters as shown there. Now there are on this pyramid, if you look at it and work out, there's 4 triangles there, okay? Because each of the sides of the square has a triangle. So you times that number by 4. And the total surface area is when you add up everything. You add the base and the 4 triangles on the side. All of those areas should get you 33 centimeters. So this is the same question repeated, just with different numbers, really. Work out the blue area. Okay, imagine the other side of the cube has a blue area as well. Work out the green area on the top and work out the yellow area. All right. This is asking about total surface area. So all we've got to do is, you should know that the cube has got 6 sides, 6 faces. And once you've worked out 1, 2 times 2 is 4. Then you times that by the 6 faces to get your answer there of 24. This is the same thing, but you'll notice it's a rectangular prism. So first you work out this bit here, which is 6 times 2, which is 12. You know the other side at the back will be the same, 6 times 2, which is 12. Add them up and you get 24. The sides of it here are 2 times 2, which is 4. And there'll be another bit on this side as well, 2 times 2, which is 4. And then you've got to work out the top bit and bottom bit, all right? 6 times 2 and 6 times 2. Okay. Next bit. Again, it's just working out a similar thing about a pyramid. So it's just a recap there. Work out the base, 4 times 4. You work out one side face, which is 4 centimeters times 6 centimeters. Remember, the triangle is divided in 2. So 4 times 6 is 24. And if you divide it by 2, it's 12, as shown over here. And you add up all of the sides and you get 64. Okay. There's some basic notebook exercises. You just work out again each of these solids. So look at the measurements. Pay careful attention. All right. That's the bottom bit, 3 centimeters. That's the side, 3. And that's the diagonal bit, 3 as well. Remember on these triangles as well, to half when it's got base times height here, you half it. Okay. Same for over here as well. Although it looks like a right angle triangle, same concept. 3 times 4 divided by 2 to work out that side. Okay. Next, we've got some multiplication questions. Easiest way to tackle it if you struggle a bit with multiplication is to put it into units and tens. So in this case, you've got 3 times 56. What I would do is do 3 times 50, which is 150, and 3 times 6, which is 18. Add them together, you get 168. Same over here. 2 times 85. 2 times 80 is 160. 2 times 5 is 10. Add them together, 170. Okay. This one's a trickier one, so this is a bit Mensa. You've got this cube over here, and you've got to look at which of these could be that shape. Now, there's more than one. I don't think it makes it clear in the question up here, but when folded, there's actually 3 answers there, A, B, and D. This is a similar question. Look at it. Think, if I put it together in my mind, would it look the same? This one, every, again, F, G, and H would make that cube there. All right. This one explained on the video at the start, the surface areas. So you've got, it says there's a surface area 6 centimeters squared. So remember, as we said before, close that, move it down a bit. We said that a cube, if it's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, all right, and it's got 6 faces, then the total will be 6 centimeters. But when you put them together, then in this middle bit here, 2 faces are hidden, aren't they? So what you've actually get is this cube has got 5 faces showing, and this cube over here has got 5 faces showing, and you add them together and get 10. On this one, similar thing. The cube on the edge has got 5 faces showing, and the cube on this side has got 5 faces showing. But the one in the middle, it's covered on both sides, isn't it? So it's got 4 faces showing. So 5 plus 5 plus 4 is 14. And you just do the same for the rest, really, on there. The homework bit, well, that's just a recap on learning, really. Work out the surface area of this solid. Do it side by side, work it out. Work out the area of this pyramid, and then work out the, again, using the 1 digit at a time, do these multiplication questions. So, yeah, it was kind of straightforward. I think once I've able to explain it, I know some may struggle a bit, but I hope this clarifies things. Best of luck, and I will see you later. Thanks very much.